Today we are cooking a thick, beautifully marbled ribeye, and we are doing it the right way. Look at that crust and that perfect medium rare center. Juicy, tender, packed with flavor. This is how steak is meant to be done. Before we cook, let's talk about the star of the show, this ribeye. First thing you look for is marbling. See those white lines running through the meat. That's intermuscular fat. That's where the flavor lives. Now look at the thickness. You want at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And this fat cap on the side. That's going to render down and give us that beautiful crust. Good steak starts right here. Once your steak is properly patted dry, we're going in with avocado oil. High smoke point, clean flavor, perfect for a hard sear. Rub it in evenly. Make sure you coat both sides. This helps the seasoning stick and gives us that beautiful crust. Now we go in generously with salt. Don't be shy here, this is a thick steak. Freshly cracked black pepper, always fresh, it makes a difference. Press it in gently, not rub, press. You want that seasoning to bond with the surface. And don't forget the sides, especially that fat cap. Now we let it rest at room temperature before it hits the pan. This is how you build flavor from the start. While the steak rests, we prep something fresh to balance it. Juicy tomatoes, diced nice and small, bright, fresh, simple. Red onion for a little sharpness. Dice it fine. You want flavor in every bit, not big chunks. Now cucumber for that clean crunch. Keep the pieces even. Avocado, creamy texture to balance the acidity. This is what brings everything together. Now in with some fresh coriander leaves, roughly chopped, nothing too fine. You want to see it. That freshness lifts everything. A small pinch of salt, just enough to wake the vegetables up, and a splash of vinaigrette. That acidity ties it all together. Give a gentle mix. Not aggressive, gentle. You want it coated, not crushed. Fresh, vibrant, and ready. Now we are turning this pepper into our serving board. This is going to hold all that fresh salad. Exciting, isn't it? Slice it straight down the middle, nice and clean. Remove the core and the seeds. We want it hollow, like a little plate. Trim off the inner piece. Don't waste it. We dice it up, and this goes straight into the salad bowl. Nothing wasted, more flavor, more texture. Now we gently fill our pepper pot. Start from one end and work your way across. Let it sit naturally. Don't pack it too tight. You want it fresh and airy. Make sure you see every color: tomato, avocado, onion, cucumber. And there we have it, our fresh salad pot. Simple but beautiful. Pan screaming hot, and in goes the steak. That sound, that's flavor building. We are cooking this 1 minute per side. Then we rotate. 1 minute, 10. We are going to do that 4 times on each side. This builds an even crust without overcooking the center. Now we add butter. Fresh rosemary and garlic if you like. This is where the magic happens. Tilt the pan, spoon that butter over the top. Keep bursting, keep building flavor. That rosemary infused butter is soaking into every fiber. Look at that crust. That's exactly what we want. And now we turn it off. Always let your steak rest. 5 to 10 minutes. While our steak is resting, we are not wasting time. We are making something fresh. Fresh ginger. Ginger is powerful. It helps with digestion, reduces inflammation, and supports your immune system. And fresh basil. It's great for calming the body. It's rich in antioxidants and it helps reduce stress. You can smell the ginger immediately, and that fresh basil, so clean, smooth, warm. You taste the spice from the ginger, and the freshness from the basil balance it perfectly. It's light, and it leaves a clean feeling. You feel it warming your body. It's calming. Perfect while we wait for our steak. Look at that. You see all those juices? That's exactly why we let it rest. All that moisture stayed inside the meat. If we had cut it too early, that would be all over the board. Now we slice straight through, nice and clean. Look at that color. That beautiful pink center. This is medium rare, crispy on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. You can see the fiber, they're relaxed. Now we plate. This is what we've been building towards. Steak and fresh salad, rich and refreshing. Look at that. That is how you cook a ribeye. Perfectly rested ribeye, fresh vibrant salad, and a simple ginger and basil tea to balance it. This is restaurant quality made at home. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More beautiful meals coming your way.